quick updates to your GoDaddy website, but not sure where to start. Whether you're refreshing content, updating images, or just tweaking your layout, editing your site on GoDaddy is actually really simple. Let me walk you through the whole process step by step. First, log into your GoDaddy account. This is your main hub for everything: domains, hosting, and of course, your website. Once you're logged in, head to the top navigation bar and click on the section labeled Domains, Websites, Hosting, and Online Marketing Tools. This is where all your products are grouped together. Next, click on the Products tab. This will bring up a full list of the services you have with GoDaddy. Depending on your setup, you might see domains, hosting, email, and other tools. But for today, we're focusing on your website. Look for the section labeled Websites plus Marketing. This is GoDaddy's suite of tools specifically built to help you create, manage, and promote your site. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page showing all the websites linked to your account. Now, find the site you want to update and click the Manage button next to it. This will open up the management page for that specific website. Here you'll see a variety of settings and tools, but the one we're after is the Edit Website option. Click Edit Website, and this will launch GoDaddy's website editor. From here, you can update text, replace images, adjust layouts, or even redesign entire sections of your site. The editor is drag and drop and very beginner friendly, so don't be afraid to explore and experiment until it looks just the way you want. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you're inside GoDaddy's editor and ready to make your website reflect your latest updates, goals, and branding. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy website tutorials. And if you've got questions, or if there's a specific GoDaddy feature you'd like me to cover next, drop a comment below. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.